If you have an issue that doesn't allow you to share location with anyone on iPhone 16e, here's what you can do in order to try to fix this issue. So let's start with the obvious. In order to be able to share location with other people, you need to be signed into your iCloud. So you will need to use Apple account to be able to use location sharing through the Find My. So if you are not signed in yet, you will see the information over here at the top in settings that you need to sign into the Apple account. So in general, you have to use iCloud, therefore you have to be logged into your Apple account. So make sure to do that. The next thing that you need to do is go to the settings, choose privacy and security, and make sure that location services is enabled. You want to make sure that this is enabled, and also you want to allow permission to Find My to be able to share the location. So what you can do is select Find My, and then over here you can, for example, select while using the app, and in addition to that you can also use precise location. And besides that, you can also go to Share My Location, and first of all make sure that Share My Location over here is enabled. This is of course crucial to be able to share your location. As the name suggests, this is the whole option that allows you to share your location with anyone. And if that didn't help as well, the last thing that you can do is restart your iPhone. So perform the restart, and after that check if everything is set up properly. So make sure that these steps that I had shown you are actually done on your phone. And after that you should be able to go to Find My app and pick up the person with who you want to share the location with. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!